Done?
Like how this goes down and then up.
Do me a favor, in that bag, I brought that orange, that right there. That's used to take that off. To read. Take this tool, all right? What you're trying to do is push that in so we can take that red out. There you go, there you go. All right, let's, come on guys, let's get this out
I
of
got
the
your
way.
shark bite.
Now, what we need to do, let's see if we can unscrew it. All right, maybe we can,
It's coming. And then we can just get a adapter like that from the
well, no, what I'm thinking about,
or we can reuse this one.
yeah, let's unscrew that, and what I'll do is I'll take the other one off of the other
Oh, you know.
and put that in there.
That's a good thing because it's kind of done.
I do have a shark bite. No, I put it in here.
Okay, channel lock. This one up, Sam? No,
Okay, I have a shark bite. It's in the bag.
Huh? Yeah, that's good. Take that out. We're gonna put one of these in, and then we'll take a piece of PEX. Instead of using a coupling, okay, instead of using a coupling, we're gonna get a T, okay? And on the top side of the T, when we change the one for the dump valve, we're gonna put this in there, right? And then we'll put our PEX that we've got from here, and we'll stick it into the top of the T. So it's all going into one drain. All right. Slide this in the hole. Okay. Now, where you got your thumb, cut it. Good. Take the T right here, put it on there. Straight up and down. Take the other piece. No, no, no. Done. Put it in there. Okay. T straight up and down. Give me. Hold on. Okay. Put that T straight up and down. Put this inside that T. Done. This is our problem right here. This is the problem. So, how about we can do this? How about if we disconnect it from here? Right? And we just join that there. I'd love to keep the filter on there, but I'm wondering how long it's been since the filter's been changed anyway. Yeah. Yeah. hostess stocking. This filter has probably never been replaced.
Orange. Oh no, no.
I announced it.
I know better.
You said,
Okay.
I know better. Now I should announce something.
Is that in?
I'll find you at your house.
Okay, so the only other thing we've got to get is our pecs go from there to there.
except for those two fittings.
2 fittings.
But those threads are too big for.
No, I was just thinking about using that pipe for the dump valve. Go down to 90, straight out. Oh, hopefully. Let me see that PVC cutter, please. It's a little bit too long. All prepped. 90. Those come short down. Ooh, you know what? Oh, that's already blue. Because I could have used that too. That's a good thing. There we go. I moved it. There we go. Awesome. Oh! Yes, sirree, Bob. See, so I've got this here with this 90. We need to take that pipe, all right? We need to measure, stick that pipe inside here. Then we need to measure up, because then what we're gonna do on that pipe is we're gonna elbow over and then join these 2 pieces here. Now the dump valve is hooked up. Yeah, cut it right there. Okay, give me a small piece, smaller piece. Okay. Now,
You want it all the way in?
yeah, well, it's how are we gonna secure it where it's not all the way
Yeah.
in?
Just go like this, I guess.
Now, we can actually, yeah, we can actually, hold on. Okay, let's lift it up. Now, take, cut this right about where my, yeah, right in there. Okay, now, take that, here's a 90. Here's a 90. Okay, put that 90 on that. Okay. Let's go ahead and put that on there. That's on there, right?
Yep.
That should, once we get this glued, that lift it off on the bottom where it's not all the way in, but it's in. All right? Dump valve is done. Now what I need for you to do, all right, what I need for you to do is you need to PVC glue this 3/4 inch in, go from here, the 90, and the standpipe, and then all this.
Yeah.
Who wants to do the honors? Want to do the honors, Joe?
I got kids.
Why?
I can plug in random stuff.
Hey, Joe. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. I just didn't see what Look too much.
Let Sam do it.
No, the other way. The other way.
What target?
Hey.
It's a target.
All right.
It's like shooting.
There we go. Pretty cool, huh?
Blink of an eye. This is why you're a little lost.
There it is.
The fruits of our labor.
A job well done. Yeah. All right.
Let's go under the air conditioner.
We gotta put the cover back on.
Can you guys help do it? Put the cover back on?